What's going on, guys? Today is gonna be the last thing that I'm gonna do on this car right here. um, on the previous video I did a compression test and then zero silch, zero compression on all four cylinders. Someone mentioned that maybe the valves are bent or the cams are broken. So what I'm gonna do is remove a valve cover right now, and then after that I'm gonna remove the front timing cover and check if the timer is fine, and that's gonna be the last thing I'm gonna do. And then the next video you're gonna see is me pulling out that motor. Okay, so let's get this done, and hopefully we can find something here on this video this time. I'm gonna remove the valve cover without draining the oil. Hopefully we don't make a mess. Let's remove all these top bolts. As soon as I took off one bolt on the bottom, starts dripping oil. So I have to catch it. Cams seem okay too, guys. What is going on? I don't see them broken. Let me spin the motor, see what it does. Hopefully it doesn't squirt oil everywhere. It might. Let's just crank it and see what happens. Okay, so I don't know what's going on now. The cams are not broken, they seem okay. I'm gonna put the valve cover back so I don't get oil everywhere in the garage. And then I'm gonna remove the radiator and the rest, all the stuff here in the front. Take off the other valve cover that was on this side. Let's see if this works. I'm gonna loosen the crank. Crank it out. It seemed easy, huh? It seemed really easy. It was, because I have taken this bolt before. But when they come from factory, you better be ready, because they are tight. Monster tight. I can explain it, kind of tight. Now we're gonna take the complete, um, the one last piece in the middle. The moment of truth. The moment of truth, guys. Let's see if the timing is bad. All right. The moment of truth, like I said. Let me set the timing. Ah, damn it. Let me put this bulb back on. Put this on. Man, you know what, guys? I'm afraid the timing is correct. I can already see it. I don't see anything stripped, anything loose. What happened? Man, I really want to know what happened to this motor, so I can just pull it out, man. But you know what? This is just like I said. This is the last thing I'm be checking. That's it, I'm done. This weekend I'm gonna be pulling the motor out. Let me get it out of gear. Dang it. Frustrated. All right. Let me show you what's the deal here. All right, guys, let me point to you that the timing is correct. Let's start over here. Let's start in the center. So as you can see, this little mark right here lines up with the mark under here that you don't see. But this one's straight. This little white one right here goes straight up here. That's right. Let's go to the right over here. This one right here is lining up with this one up here. This little notch over here. There's a little notch right there. It lines up perfectly. Those two down there are lining up, all right? And that one's lining up to the side. Let's move on to this side over here. You can see right here that this one right here is lining up with that notch over there. It's lining up perfect. And the ones in the bottom, kind of hard to show you, but they are lining up. I can see them. There you see it, barely you can see it right there. It's lining up with the one on top. And on the side, I don't know if you can see it, that little white one right there, that one is lining up perfect. So the timing on this beast is correct. The camshafts are not broken. There's nothing wrong on the outside that I can see. Okay guys, I did everything I could to find out, not to take out this motor, but this motor is a goner. Since the beginning I heard it, it's a goner. So I did everything I could, took out the valve cover, the cams are okay, timing is okay, didn't skip anything. Compression is dead on all 4 cylinders. I don't know what is the deal with that. I'm totally done wasting my time with this engine here. A new one is coming in. Or, you know what, just for curiosity, I'm gonna pull this engine out, I'm gonna remove the heads. If the valves are vent, all of them, I can still use a fresh set of heads that I have sitting over there in the corner. But this one is coming out this weekend. If I got time like Saturday, I'm gonna take it out. So that is it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and please comment on this video and see if you can guess what happened. You already seen the other 2 videos that I posted where I did the You know what? I forgot what the hell I did. I did so many things on this thing to determine what happened. I still don't know. But this engine is coming out.